Onions because it burned my eye. Right now, it's burning my eyes. So get all that accidents off here, you know. No, you don't need a lot of onions. Right now, my eyes burning, and I'm about to cry. But I'm used to take my because I need a minute.
So y'all, this is what she doing. She finna make some tacos or whatever. Y'all, she finna
Yeah.
make some tacos. And just to let you know, this is a little vlog, you know, guys. So like and subscribe. Thank you.
So
And then the part
no,
two.
like,
Okay, go ahead, babe.
I'm trying, I'm trying to dance it off because it burned my eyes. It like it messed up my eyes the last time. Don't mind me. Stay tuned for part two.
Right. Just let y'all know. We's a minute. We's a minute ahead, and seconds. Y'all don't mind her. She's still, you know. So this will be a 3 minute vlog, you know, and then the part two will be next on the way. So yeah, and yes, don't mind her again. She is. I'm pretty sure you guys, does that same way. Have you ever had onions, squirting your eyes and your eyes burn? Yeah, for sure. That's what I'm saying. See? Oh, boy, oh boy. Y'all just like and subscribe. This is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Like she's really cutting onions, y'all, as y'all see. As y'all see, she's cutting the onions. And
I got my eyes together a little bit. Six. Hey, girls. I had to get my eyeballs together. Hold on. Like, my bitch so fat.